Simple tutorial for Maespresso 58. First, detach the portafilter from the main unit and remove the puck screen from the portafilter. Add 15 to 25 grams of coffee grounds. This time, we are using 18 grams of coffee. Remove the WDT tool from the portafilter and evenly distribute the grounds. Use a tamper to tamp the coffee grounds. Place the specialized puck screen in position. Add hot water at 97 degrees Celsius. Install the portafilter back into the main unit. Begin with a pre-infusion of 1 to 2 bars of pressure and wait for 5 or 10 seconds. Then rapidly increase the pressure to 9 bars for a complete extraction. During the extraction, the pressure will gradually decrease. We recommend waiting for the pressure to naturally drop to 7 or 8 bars, then reapply pressure to reach 9 bars again. Generally, aim to complete the extraction of 36 grams of espresso within 40 seconds. Once the extraction goal is achieved, quickly press the pressure release button to release pressure and stop the extraction. A nice and delicious espresso shot is now ready. The cleaning is also very simple. Remove the portafilter. Knock out the puck and wait for the next shot.